going again?
Yeah. I think they are all going again, actually. I think they all are going again. Maybe it's going again. She's gonna ask me about it. I'm not surprised she's not on track, okay? I mean, I'm not saying that in a mean way, I'm just saying. She got lucky with your voice. Although she did a song that's correct on Brent, didn't she write Brandy Rose stuff?
I wasn't there. I don't know.
No.
Brandy wrote Emily for us, I think, what you said.
Over Fences, not on the
Yeah,
flat.
Over
They
Fences.
didn't use her on the flat.
Right.
That's
Jessica
right.
got Harley on the flat.
Jessica got Harley on the flat.
Yeah. Jessica got
Yes,
Harley
she
on the
did.
flat.
Brandy
And Brandy-
liked Harley.
Yeah, I know.
She got on him.
I'm trying to remember who Gail got on the flat, because I think, no, it was, the gal who was Jamie's student got.
Oh, she got Laurel
Buster,
Bonster.
because
And she did
Buster
well with that.
wanted, the gal wanted
Laurel
to buy
wrote
Buster.
Buster, and she did a good job with him.
Did she?
Mm-hmm.
And Jamie still wanted to buy him.